Good morning everyone, and welcome to this presentation of the property in front of me. Now this is Surrey Road in Reading. For those that don't know, I'm just going to show you down the bottom of the road there. That is the beginning of Basingstoke Road down the end, and turn right into town, turn left towards the motorway. So what I'm bringing you today is this house here in front of me, number 25. Let's head on in. It is a wonderful example of the late Victorian properties. So for me, I love the exposed wooden floor all downstairs. We'll come on up the hall, and then we have this wonderful large and spacious reception room diner. Lovely bay windows to the front. Now this is just a film that's been put on the front of the window there, which can be removed nice and easily. Fireplace here, lovely feature. And then carrying on down into the dining space, really good family space here. Nice recessed sort of bookshelves, really well done. Understairs storage, currently full of boxes, but very spacious. And again, we'll carry on down under the stairs, and then we have this wonderfully, this beautiful kitchen here, all with fitted units. Lovely. So there's your fridge, freezer. We've got nice solid worktops, lots of drawer space. We've got built-in units including dishwasher and washer dryer, porcelain sink, and in here is the boiler. Here's a view out of the back garden. Let me take you out here, but you'll notice it's lovely and light. There's dual aspect windows, space saving rads. This fence here is all new. There's a little decked area for maybe a barbecue set, something like that. And then down the end there's a little outbuilding, all brick built, and then with trees there. Just turning back to show you the home. Absolutely wonderful. So it's on street parking. You can get a permit through the council. Council is permit's about £45 a year, so not very expensive at all. Just take my shoes off before we head on up, and then we're heading. Let's explore up here. So top of the stairs, I'm going to go straight ahead. So this is the smaller room, so currently being used as a home office, but certainly a single bedroom, nursery, that sort of thing. Give you another look over the garden, but it's wonderfully bright and light. Bathroom, nice modern bathroom in here, all white units, lovely modern bath, rain shower. And then through here we have bedroom 2, which is a smaller double, but it is a double bedroom. Nice and spacious, big window, lets lots of light in. And then down the end of the hallway, we first of all have the storage, and then in here, this is the main bedroom. Good sized double bedroom there. Double glazed windows to the front. There's the fireplace there as well. Really nice and spacious. And then up here is your attic. So it isn't, there's no ladder at the moment, but you could certainly develop into the attic space. It has room. It is wonderful, wonderful opportunities here. Yeah, this home really is ready to go. The seller is moving out and they are proceeding with a purchase of their own. So they can potentially, this could be sold with no onward chain. So if you are interested, do get in touch with me. I'd love the chance to show you around privately, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.